how do you actually declare bankruptcy? About 25 years ago, what you would do is you would fill in a whole bankruptcy petition, and it'd be a whole bunch of papers, and you would print it out, and then you'd print 7 more copies, and then you would go to your local bankruptcy court. Here in Oklahoma, we've got 3 of them. Some states only have 1, some have more. These are done at the federal courthouse. So you would walk down to the federal courthouse with your big stack of papers, or if you're an attorney, you might actually bring a wagon. And you would bring this whole wagon full of papers. You'd present them to the bankruptcy court clerk, and they would stamp them and file them. And that, really before the internet got going, was how you filed bankruptcy. But about 25, 30 years ago, the bankruptcy court system introduced electronic filing. So now I don't go file anything in paper, and we actually don't make it to the courthouse very often at all anymore. Now, to declare bankruptcy, or really more accurately, to file bankruptcy, what we do is we put together a computer package. When we print this out for our clients to sign, it's about 70 to 80 pages. It consists of the petition, which are some cover pages, the schedules, which is where you list out your assets, your debts, your income, your expenses. You list all these financial bits. There's a statement of financial affairs, which is about 30 questions about your financial history. And then there's some supporting documents. So we'll print it out for our clients to sign, but to actually file a bankruptcy, we go to the court's secure website and we upload computer files. Then the court's website will process them, give us a PDF copy with a file stamp at the bottom or the top showing that it's been filed, and we can also generate a notice of bankruptcy filing. This is a 1-page document, PDF, we can print it out, that shows that you've filed bankruptcy. And then the court will mail notice of that filing to all the creditors. So to answer the question, how do you declare bankruptcy? You put together a whole bunch of paperwork, and we do it on computer software, and you file it on the court's website. Now, if you're self-represented, which I don't recommend, you could actually take that 70-page packet, bring it down in person, show it to the court clerk, and see if you could figure it out. But if there's any glitches or errors or mistakes or something missing, it could result in your case being dismissed. So as a practical matter, what all the bankruptcy attorneys do is we use software, and that way we make sure that we get it right.